Reality of life. There was once a man named Arjun who lived in a small town. From a young age, he was told that life was a ladder: study hard, get a good job, earn money, and then everything would fall into place. So he did. He worked harder than anyone else, got the best cards, landed a respectable job, and bought a house. On the outside, he was successful, but inside, he often felt something was missing. One evening, after a long day of work, Arjun sat alone at home. His house was quiet, spotless, and cold. The laughter, the warmth, the sense of connection he expected to come with success were nowhere to be found. He looked into a crack mirror in his hallway, a relic from his childhood home, and for the first time he did not see a successful man. He saw someone tried chasing a life that was never truly his. That night he visited his old neighborhood. The streets were the same, the narrow, noisily full of life. He met a tea seller he knew from childhood. The man had never left the corner, never changed job, and yet he smiled with a kind of peace Arjun had never known. "Are you happy?" Arjun asked. The tea seller laughed. "Happiness is not something you chase, my friend. It's something you notice. In the smell of fresh tea, in an old song, in a child's laugh. Life is not a race, it's a road. You just forgot to walk it." That night, Arjun sat under a streetlight and thought deeply. He realized that life was not about constant achievement, it was about balance, connection, and being present. The reality of life is not always glamorous, it's messy, painful, beautiful, and it does not wait for anyone. The next morning, Arjun smiled as he walked barefoot on the grass, the morning dew kissing. For the first time in the years, he felt alive.